Welcome to my Vietnam vlog. I'm off to Phu Quoc, Vietnam's largest island to the southwest of the mainland. It's also their biggest army base, which is closer to Cambodia's shores than it is to Vietnam's shores. Join me as I explore this little island through its dreamy beaches, basking in the tropical sun. I drive around in the rain. I meet starfishes. I see orangish violetish sunsets between Vietnam and Cambodia. I hike up to a waterfall. I discover an Amalfi-like look-alike city and connect with the pains of the colonial history in the coconut prison. Seems like a lot? That's 60 hours of exploration on a weekend from India. And you know what? It doesn't even require a visa. This, by the way, was a quick jaunt over a Friday, Saturday and Sunday. If this trailer interested you, you should enjoy the entire series. Here we are at the Starfish beach. It's very tough to actually come to any place here in Phu Quoc because people don't understand English, and most of these are villagers who have no clue of tourism potential in their place. So we have a great sunset that's unfolding there. Trying to see what else to be done here. Are there starfishes to be seen? We don't know. We'll have to go there and see.
Starfishes on Vietnam are apparently very common on their beaches in the north and the south. This beach is to the northwest of the island, around 8 kilometers and 1,000 potholes away from the pepper farm. It was monsoon season, so there were a lot of puddles in the jungle path to the Starfish beach. Lack of infrastructure can be a potential bummer in getting here, but there's a cost to pay to reach paradise. We first came to the beach and did not find any of the shacks open. We parked our vehicles on the beach and then we went on the walkway inside the sea. We thought we'd go and ask people about hey, are there starfishes here? That too, having come this far, we didn't want to miss it. The walkway is interesting. It juts into the sea 250 meters or so and is situated as, in a part of the sea which is very, very calm. So right at the end of the walkway, we suddenly saw starfishes on board. When somebody, I think one of the fishermen, pulled it out from the seabed and put it on the walkway for, some of the other local Vietnamese tourists to see, or maybe have them for dinner. We saw them from a distance and wondered if they were kind of alive or dead. I just hoped, the starfishes were not killed just because the tourists had to see. If so, that was really bad. But we didn't know much about starfishes, but it was beautiful trying to observe the colors and the patterns they had on their bodies. I think in high season, which is November to April, that is when you get to see starfishes on the beach. This is not the only thing to do if you're one of those selfie spotting tourists. There are more Instagram friendly sunset props that tourists use for photos. So one such was a little ramp at the other end of the walkway. You have to get past a series of cafes on the water to get to this point. It looked like these cafes were fairly haunted in the monsoon season. Very little tourists. It was also one of those better weather days, luckily, the day that we were there, because it had no heavy rain. That kind of helped us see or spot starfishes. So for that ramp that I was talking about, Srinidhi and Abhi decided to walk that side and explore to see what it felt like. Abhi took some photos around sunset, asked I think some of the other tourists to click him while he walked on that ramp. So Vinay and I were on the other side. We were experiencing that magical glow of that evening sun, which was kind of lighting up the place beautifully. And it's amazing what a beautiful sunset could do to one's mood. So we were just enjoying the moment right now.
Want to try the food here?
No, not yet, but we're vegetarian.
Let's try gỏi cá chích.
That is vegan? Vegetarian?
No. There's nothing.
Yeah, give us a good vegetarian recommendation to eat in Vietnam.
Are you vegan? It's vegetarian, without eggs, without fish,
Sorry,
without any animals.
I'm not a vegan, so I do not know what can you take. Because
okay.
I ate everything.
But you're from Vietnam?
Hanoi.
Of course, I'm from Hanoi.
Okay.
Do you want anything about Hanoi or Ho Chi Minh
So,
City?
where do you live now?
We live in Phu Quoc.
You live in Phu Quoc?
No, we've just come today.
I don't know.
We are there for a week.
Oh, so you just came to Vietnam?
Yes, first time.
What's you decide?
Let's go.
Okay. Where's the boat?
Bar, night bar.
Can you tell me your number?
फ्री हाउ मच टाइम जाके आने में 2 घंटा लगेगा तो
वो शर्ट पर लगता है इंग्लिश आता है वो आके
क्योंकि आके जाके आने में 2 घंटा आया
2 घंटा तो टू मच
एग्जैक्टली द पॉइंट
After that beautiful sunset, we came back, drove all the way to our hotel, kept our luggage. Shriyati is gone to sleep. We thought we'll come explore the late night market, and right now we're having ice cream, tender coconut ice cream. वो कहाँ पे बैठे हैं?
Anh đụng em tờ tiền chứ đầu gà không phải đá hả?
ऊपर से